Good morning internet. So now today we have our first problem with the Honda Cb200x, and that is that the headlight has stopped working. Let's show you what it is. As you can see, battery voltage also is good, but the headlight is still not working. So I brought the bike now to the service center. Let's see if they can hopefully solve the problem. So the bike's come back now from the service center. It turns out the problem was with the rectifier of the bike. So under warranty, they have replaced the part for free, but they still charge for labor. I don't know why, but anyways, now you can see the headlight is working again.